Hey there everyone, what is going on? Hope everyone is doing fantastic today. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to put your iPhone 11 into the factory data reset mode so that you can connect it to iTunes and have it wiped in the event that you have your phone disabled or you forgot your password. The customer that I have here, they pretty much had their device in their pocket and it was going and clicking a bunch of different numbers until it reached the disabled screen. And so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to do it really quick. Keep in mind, when you're doing this, it's also gonna go ahead and do an update for you guys, so it's knocking out two birds with one stone. Now it's time to get into it. So to get started, you're going to need the iPhone, and if you guys can see here, you'll see that it has the iPhone is disabled, so connect to iTunes. However, you're gonna need to put it into your recovery mode before going ahead and doing such. So let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, so when you have this screen here, you're gonna go ahead and fast press your volume up, fast press volume down, and then hold on to your power button. Might need to do it a little bit faster. So let's try it one more time. 1, 2, and 3. And don't let go of the power button even when this slide to power off message pops up. You're just going to ignore it and just keep holding on to the power button and no other buttons. So I know it might look like I'm holding on to the volume buttons, but I'm not. And you're just gonna go ahead and give it a moment. Even past the Apple logo, you just keep holding on to it until you get the computer. Awesome. So next, what you're gonna wanna do, just to reset it, is go ahead and unplug and plug it back in. And that's when your computer will be able to read it, and so that you can follow up the next steps. Alright, so once you go ahead and unplug and replug your device back in, you're gonna get this message right here. You can go ahead and skip the update. However, you're gonna go ahead and select restore, and it's gonna tell you that it's gonna restore and update the device for you, no problem. Like I said earlier, it's gonna do that by default. It has to do an update. Even if it's on the latest software, it will just take a bit quicker in time, but it's gonna always offer to do the update with the restore. And that's gonna be it. So it's configuring now, and just within a little bit of time, it's gonna go ahead and take you right back to your factory page as if you had just purchased the iPhone with no passcode. Keep in mind though that if you do have an Apple ID on it, it's gonna ask you to enter it in order to bypass that screen. So make sure you have that handy if you do have an Apple ID on it. And if you don't, you'll be perfectly fine. You just go ahead and enter it. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching. That's gonna be the end of today's video. If you guys learned something or this video helped you guys out, please do make sure to drop a like and subscribe. After all, that is my main focus on this channel, is providing as much value as I possibly can for anyone who's willing to listen. So thanks again guys, and we'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Peace.